Well, last few weeks, Craig, we've talked about good starts and finishing, but today we started well and finished better with an 8-0 win against Felinheli. Your thoughts on the 90 minutes?
Yeah, I think that's what Al said last week, going back to the half-time. There was a few choice words, to say the least, and it was deserved because that first half last week was nowhere good enough. We've come out second half and did exactly what we wanted to do and had a much better performance, a lot livelier, showed a lot more desire, hunger, and we said that at the start of tonight's game. You know, look, you've set the bar, now let's go and do it from minute one today, not the 46. And thankfully, like you said, we've come out first half, that first 20 minutes, 25 minutes, I thought we were very good. And then taking that lead into half-time, that 3-0 lead, there's a cushion there. And unfortunately, at the start of the second half, to be fair to Veli, and they've come out and had a really good spell. I thought 15, 20 minutes, they were at it and they were on top. For spells of that game, we didn't come out, but then, you know, like a flick of a switch, we've really turned it on, and I thought the lads were fantastic in that sort of last 20 minutes of that half.
How did you see the Felinheli goal from halfway line? One of the best this season, probably, Craig.
Yeah, from the ball out from Gaz, the quick switch of play. Hirsch's always a threat, but that first touch he took, and then the run, the direct run. You know, once he's in free flow, he's really difficult to slow down. And credit to Matty Jones, who's made a great run across to allow the space for Hirsch to run into as well. And it was a great little finish. You know, he showed real composure in the area, and it was great for him because he's been out. You know, and he's come back tonight, threw him straight in because we know the ability that he's got, and he's rewarded us with that performance tonight.
And 4 goals for Matty Jones as well. A great return on an evening of great football.
Yeah, Matty's been, you know, he's been knocking on the door for a while now since his injury coming back, and it's not quite happened for him. You know, his first game back, I think, we brought him on against Denby after the injury. And as I said, he's been knocking on the door, but tonight he's proven that what a goal scorer he is. You know, you look at 3 of his goals, they're all in the 6-yard box, and that's a typical number 9, and that's why I was really pleased when Matty signed for us. And I think going forward now, if he get it going right, he's going to score some more goals.
An international break now for Papirnyk, Craig, and then Llanuwchllyn in a couple of weeks. What do you expect from Llanuwchllyn?
Oh, it's going to be a really tough game. You know, I know a lot of their players, I know their management team, they'll have them right up for it. They're in form. I'll probably go and watch them tomorrow and assess what they've got. But as I said, I know what they've got. They'll come here. It'll be a really, really tough game for us. They've got a lot of quality in their team. Obviously, we'll be welcoming Kerry, and it'll be nice to see him. But hopefully we're on the better end of the result, and we're in form. You know, this break's come at a good time, if I'm quite honest. We've got a few lads that are recovering from injuries that'll have an extra week off now. You know, and going back to the injuries, you know, look at Sol's played well tonight. Adam Barks come on at left back, and I thought it was fantastic. Had a hand to play in a couple of the goals. Kian exactly the same. He set up a goal there at the end and come on. And they've done brilliant. Hirsch's again come on and fitted straight in and brought us a little bit of energy in that second half. So credit to them. But it'll be good, as I said, get that break in now, and then all focus is forward to Llanuwchllyn.
Great results. Diolch, Craig.
Da iawn, diolch.